true Jamaican Christmas greeting I extend to you. Just come on over, there is room. There's no winter time, there's just sweet sunshine at Christmas Jamaican style.
Hey guys, welcome back to KeneishaSays. Welcome back to another video. So this is episode 2, Vlogmas episode 2. All right, now today, I literally just got ready. Let me show you what I'm wearing and then let me tell you what I'm going. I don't know if you can see me, but this is what I'm looking like right now. It's a little bit chilly outside, not as cold as normal. So just look at coats, this bodysuit, my pants, and my sneakers. I don't know if you guys can see. Nothing spectacular happening today. We're just going on the road. You see what we needed to do from the last time we spoke. That's what we're going to be doing right now. So this I wanted to do from Monday. Monday I dropped the kids and I came home. I had the clothes out and ready. As a matter of fact, different outfit that I had ready because it was colder. And I came home and I'm like, you know what? I'm just not in the mood. So Monday I really did nothing. I really did nothing at all. Tuesday, which is yesterday, I said, alright, I'm going to do it today. I ended up just cleaning up the house. So now I know I have to do it today because tomorrow, well, today, as a matter of fact, the kids have half day school and it's like 10:30, so I need to get out of the house right now to finish the med like within an hour or and a half so I can grab them from the bus stop. And then tomorrow, also half day school and I have their conference to do, their phone conference. Tomorrow is also half day school and I have an appointment, they have an appointment. So I just have to get this out of the way. So what are we gonna do, you ask? Right now we're heading to Whole Foods. I need to exchange. I told you guys that I got some snow outfits for them. Well, Tavania's snow pants is extremely big, so we're gonna exchange that. And then we're gonna run over to Marshall's because I need to do some last minute Christmas gifts, Christmas gifts purchases. And then we're gonna go down to Family Dollar and see if Family Dollar have those little things that I was looking for, the extension cord and whatever not. And we also want to go down to Dollar Tree to top up, to re-up on hot cups and facial tissues and stuff. So let's see how much I can actually get into this right now. So let me grab my bag. We're gonna go downstairs right now. I'm not going to leave the light on upstairs in the room. I'm never leave the light on. I'm just, I can't pay a light bill. I have to turn it off. Light off. Okay. Let's go back down here now. So we're missing something from the outfit. I gotta get my glasses on because I can't see. So let's do that. There we go. But look, innocent, I put on the glasses, you see. Okay, let's get my wallet. Drop in my bag. Bum. Phone, go over this for a second. You're going here. Get keys. Oh, if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment under the comment section, and share. It's Vlogmas episode 2. What am I looking for? Okay. We need this because I'm going to try and see if I can actually fix this in my my car. The other one that I have is like a bag where you put like storage stuff between the seats. The other one is busted. So I bought this one and I haven't put it back in yet. Let me take down the return. Guys, I don't know why I didn't do this now. I should have done it on Monday because now it's raining and it's going to be raining. It's been raining since last night and it's not going to stop till tomorrow morning. So now we're going in rain with all this. So I'm going to stop right now until we reach in the car, okay? Because we can't get you wet. We can't afford it. We can't afford to get you wet. So let's go. All right, guys. So we're here at Whole Foods. And this is what I'm bringing back. So it's basically pink snow pants. That's all it is. I want to just talk to you guys for 1 second. No, last night I was actually finished eating and I was around the dining room table. And instead of getting up and go Dominique, I just sit down and I watch some reels, right? Tell me why this particular a reel came on with this particular song and I just busted out crying. I did a TikTok on it as well, but like, me just start crying. there's a particular verse in there that like it hits home so much. It's like this man was just talking to me. It's like somebody telling about my life, and he put it in a song. So I want you guys just to listen. I don't know if I don't get copyright feed, I might have to cut it up a little bit. But the name of the song is Lonely Dirt Road by Dax. And I've been listening to this artist ever since last night. Matter of fact, it was stuck on Lonely Dirt Road and I started listening to the rest of the song them. And I like it. I like the rhythm and stuff like that. So this is what I'm talking about. Listen to this particular verse.
I needed somewhere to take my mistakes. Didn't want my family to see me cry. They'll never know I'm carrying all of this weight. Dealing with the pressure of trying to provide. No sign of struggle can show on my face. They ask if I'm okay, I just flash them a smile. Fire up that engine to take me away. Speeding through the motions with every mile. On that road is where I find my peace. I remember Daddy told me about some times like these. On that road is where my mind's at ease. I keep driving like a wave, rejecting change. And I need escapes. This is where I go. A place to escape where nobody knows. Where I feel free to let things go. And face that sea and burn my soul. I bring my hatred, I bring my pain. All the emotions I cannot explain. It's where I found God and where I hold. It's He, myself, and I. And on that lonely dirt road. Alright guys, go listen to that song. That song, that was something about it. Anyhow, I'm gonna run into Whole Foods right now. It's now 10:50, so we have 10 minutes to 11. And you know, we can't. As a matter of fact, I don't even think I'm gonna bring all my bag and stuff inside. Do I? Yeah, it has all my stuff, so I better just do that. But I'm gonna leave you guys inside because again, it's still drizzling a bit, and me not chance it because me not have no money. All right, so I'll see you guys when I get back inside. Alright guys, I'm here in Home Goods, Marshalls / Home Goods, yeah. I'm looking for a bag for my mother-in-law that she wants for her Christmas, a nice bag, work bag. Anything but red, she said.
Thank you.
Look, I like this one. There are a couple of them that I like the two, but money steep, man. Still looking. She normally have a whole heap of something in her bag, so I want to make sure I have like a good size bag for her while still looking cute. I think this one will be good. It's a cold one. Alright, I think I have the bag here. Let's go on the shoes on. Let's see where that Aldo. No. It's so cute. I don't see anything right here.
Assistant is on the way.
Hi. Can I have your phone? Your food. Then go over to the home goods section and see if you can find Excuse me. Thank you. It's so tight in here. It's okay. You're a pocket man. Alright guys, I'm back in. Marshall too pack up for me, man. Why Marshall pack up, sir? No, man. All the stay-at-home moms and all these people, they're out today. Them out, man, in them numbers. I couldn't manage it. I had to stop recording. Like, I felt some kind of way. I don't know. In there to pack up, man. I know the rain come down. Let me see if I can put it up here, so. Alright, let me put you guys up here for a minute. So I was gonna stop at Dollar Tree, but I feel like I'm gonna do that again because it's now 11:30 and I just need to go to Family Dollar. I think what I need at Dollar Tree, it can't wait. It can't wait till tomorrow. It can't wait. It's not like anything urgent. So I'm gonna go to Family Dollar. Some of you had this sale thingy on, like some extension cord. I did go ahead and buy, but you know what, I'm now come for right now. So I'm gonna go get another one or a couple of them actually, but let's see if I can get one more, the reindeer, and then a couple of the ornaments for the tree. Got from the dollar cheaper. One of the reasons why I went to home goods section of it, I wanted to see, you know, those the poinsettia thing that I bought last time, the gold and the silver. I think it was last year. I wanted to see if they had any more of that. I found the silver one, but I couldn't find the silver and gold. I wanted to add some more of that to my tree, but I guess that now work. So I did get a bag from my mother-in-law, and I got some other stuff. Can't share right now because they're all gifts, right? I can say bag because the mother-in-law asked for the bag, so she knows that she'll get one bag just to know what kind of bag. Okay, all right. So gifts are secure. Unless my bad number gift, I think everybody should be okay. I may get like an Amazon gift card. I need to get like a credit card with some money on it for TJ. You might already know that. I already get another gift for him. So right now we're gonna go to Family Dollar, and by that time, let's see how much time I have, and then I can actually there's gonna be time for the kids. If I have enough time, I'll go to Dollar Tree. If not, tomorrow it is. All right, so let's go. Hold on, there was this some sale on the Stanley Cup, like forever in November. They say I can get one for $4 something. Girl went ahead and I purchased a bunch because the trick was, even though it's $4 something, you had to buy $40 something worth for you to actually get the sale. I went ahead and purchased. Tell me all a month now, and I still can't receive it. I hope it's not Stanley Cup coming out. I hope it's actually Stanley Cup, because girl, not gonna buy no Stanley Cup for $40 something. I'm sorry. If I can get a bunch of them for the same money, why not? A win is a win. But if it's no fraudulent copy of it, I'm gonna be upset. I'm hoping that when I reach home this evening, it is there, because from yesterday it said in my area and I can't see it yet. 1 month Stanley Cup can't come, so I'm a bit pissed off with that. Anywho, let's go down a Family Dollar. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna good mood, Keneisha, good mood. Okay, all right guys, I am here at Home Depot. What is wrong? I'm here at Family Dollar. Let's take a look at the donuts, because girl never check. Alright guys, had to interject for a little bit because I just realized that portion of the video was not captured. So before this clip, I actually stopped at Dunkin' Donut and grabbed me some donuts for the kids. So I was explaining that to you before, that I was rushing to get the donuts, and based on me trying to come out of the driver or whatever not, I guess it cut off. I thought I was recording. It wasn't recording. I was showing you the donuts before. So don't get confused. Okay? Alright. Ooh. Alright, so 1 dozen, 6 glazed and 6 strawberry frosted. Alright. So kids have donuts. This is what I'm gonna be switching over, guys. This, you realize this is busted right here. Wrap off. So this is to replace it. I couldn't find the exact one that I purchased before. It's no longer in stock. But I find this one and hopefully it fits. So from the daughter behind me, we're gonna go in there now and hopefully we find everything that we're looking for. Okay. It's raining and it's coming down hard. It's 10 minutes basically to 12 o'clock. Kids should be leaving school at 12 o'clock. So if I hurry up, I can reach there in time. Battery gone dead. Lucky let me stop for a second. Let me change the battery real quick. They're not doing that. Alright, getting this. Cough drops. I know I never come to them, but now I'm going to use this opportunity to top up, stock up on pile. So I'm going to have Vicks, more some Vicks. More some Vicks, some Vicks. Messing on Vicks. Messing on Vicks. Look at him, how much should I add? It's in the first one. Oops. Yeah, I can't get enough of them there. Enough of this. And then this one. So then vapor 6. Let me see. Start it open already. I'm looking at this one. Like a chopstick. Like a thing. I said 350. That's what I got. See if I can find any ornaments. Find these. $5. Good morning. Good morning. What's another one now? Oh, look at this, guys. $5.
Check. This location is under the monitoring. Any shoplifting allowed in this location, police will be arrived with your photo.
Yes, I suspect something. Alright, guys. 5 after 12. Look at these. That's all we're gonna do. Alright, guys, I am back in the car. I'm finished with Family Dollar. Tell me why the store, I only hear the announcement. They might announce about shoplifting. You see, from that TikTok girl, they got teeth for people them something at Target. I feel like every time people go in at the store with camera, I don't know if I meet them at all too. But like that big announcement, like what? That's crazy. And also, we reached the line, I cash all these things, what I never really want. And they forget the main thing I'm gonna go there for, which is the extension cord. Luckily they went and got 4, so I got 4. I'll show you guys. I'm checking Tristan and I'm not seeing where he left school yet. We're gonna still go by the stop, and then I can show you a little bit of like a little Family Dollar haul. Yeah, in the car. And then we can try to fix that in the car as well. The thing that made us try to put it back. So I'll see you at the stop. Alright guys, I'm at the stop. Obviously another year. So I'm just show you something up. Show you the Family Dollar things on, but they're in the back. One of them must go for them. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, I want to show me up in a man. Alright. The things I do for you guys. The things I do for you. In the ring. Alright. So we got the extension cords. I'm in the thing walk from the dollar like I normally walk. I think I was just hurrying. Because if you look for the extra reindeer like what I said before. So I got 4. I got 2 6 feet and then 2 12 feet. I spent a total of $111 in stuff and shop in family. Well, I can't call the people name right. In Family Dollar, $111.50. This is $3.50. 2 multi mini lights, 100 counts. I got 1, 2. We got a pack of vapor shower. Normally I get these at BJ's with a box with a pack. But I get this one, it has 3 in there. The vapor rub, this is the lavender scent. I got 2 of them. I got the original scent. Because it's winter time now, where you know it's everybody catching cold. Tristan had a terrible cough the other day. And luckily I could find like a little tip. But normally my house is not out of that. I saw this too, like the stick one, easy rub on. I just got that too. Tylenol, because you can't be out of Tylenol, and Benadryl. You know, you never can be too safe. That's that for this bag. Oh, I'm lock up. Jesus Christ. Lock up my coat out the door. Second bag, we got this ornament for the tree. I got this cloud thingamajig. And you guys saw the red and green ornamented. I got 2 packs of this. Pack of haul, the cough drops. I saw me there for $111. Hold on, some more something. Pack of Caremax and Tylenol Severe. That's it. From that expensive, man. Oh my goodness. $111. In Marshall, I actually spent, it was $80-something in a Marshall. Okay, anything else? No, that's it. So we're gonna try to see if we can fix this now. But check Tristan a message, but then sorry guys, I'm texting TJ real quick because it's supposed to be coming down. It's supposed to be coming down either tomorrow or Friday, so I'm just trying to verify that. Also need to check which part Tristan him now. It's still a show where Tristan him still there at school. So I'm gonna be sitting here for a minute. Looks like he's walking right now to the bus based on the movements here. But it's 12:27 now, which means I did not reach it to like after 1. So what if I get slow waste right now? Okay, so this is what it's looking like right now. It's going here. It kind of bent up. It's totally different from what I have. So this is set up for the cars that have like when you lift up, you know, lift up handrest thingy in the middle. Mine don't have that. Mine is the slide ones. So I normally just slip it through that. The I don't know if you can see the chair handle here. So I'm gonna see if I can fix this right now. Alright, so I'm tilting it on a little bit so I can see what I'm showing now. Right? Memory card shows I have 2 minutes on it. I'm gonna take off this. Never fear, I have extra backup memory card. In here I normally store my extra chips and snacks and stuff that I bring to work. Alright. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's get this one on now.
Little one's Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, click, click. Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
Alright guys, so we're finished. It's fixed up. So now I'm going to sort through these things. I know that I need, these are like,
Up on the housetop, reindeer paws. Out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys. All for the little one's Christmas joy. Ho, ho, ho.
it's a chaos right here. School over early and then people just not cooperate.
Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
Just not, everybody wants to go. Everybody wants to go. Look, it's a car organizing. So I throw away these when I reach home. Alright, that is that. It's a garbage. And Tristan coming. I don't want coming at the front. So I'm put this here. So imagine the whole purpose of this is to put my bag. And with everything I put in here, the bag can't hold. I'm gonna take one of the donuts. Alright guys, me just a jam. I don't know how much I'll eat donut. When I reach home, I'm gonna cook, add on the rest of the decoration on the tree. Hopefully rain ease up, I can actually put the turn on the reindeer. I'll make sure I do it later. But I'll see you guys later, okay? Alright, bye. Hey guys, many hours later, I came home. I actually added on the additional ornaments that you saw me bought today. That you saw me buy this afternoon, this evening, today. So I put them onto the tree. It still not look so fluffy, and I'm kind of disappointed that I did not get the extra poinsettias, the gold poinsettias that I was looking for from Home Goods. I really want to get them, but I'm not gonna get no more. I'm not gonna buy anything else. So I added those on, and then the tree downstairs is mostly red because upstairs needed mostly like green. So I added on like half, like maybe almost one whole container of the ornaments upstairs. And I still feel like down here, so feel naked and something, but it is what it is, and this is exactly how it's gonna be right now. We're not changing it, so it's up. I feel like operates the context some more. Them just look bare and just look bare. So just need to get something right. So I need to put something after we exchange something. Let's put something here and set this from here. So come off now. And set this. I should have went green on my pictures. I want to put this right here. This now looks so right. Put them up in the air. Yeah. So mostly red down here, to be honest, because I needed most of the green upstairs. But I feel like it look a little bit better, right? He don't look so naked. He don't look so naked. He look like him have on some clothes right now. Yeah, so that is it. I'm not gonna do anything else because you know what? It is what it is. So I feel like him look a bit better. Him don't look so naked. Yeah, him look fuller. That is it. Yeah, that is it. So right about now, I am about to start looking about some food. And I'm like, what is it gonna make? What can I make very easy right now? Like quick and fast. So I decided to just make a little bit of pasta. I find a little bit of shrimp. I find some sausage. And the shrimp. A little bit inside here. Hi vloggy.
I went to the book fair and got this today.
Yeah, she went to the book fair.
So let me show them all the stuff I got in here.
Alright, so I'm going to do a quick pasta. And let me show you the tree. I may not see no big difference on here. But
Hi, I was just telling the girl that they have to.
you're not gonna see much different. Well, it need them mostly at the green at the bottom. They like them. Oh, what's in here? The light them stop work. Them not work that much inside here, so.
We're gonna have so much fun today, aren't we?
Let them come back on, man. Hold on.
That's candy.
Oh, you can't see, like, you see these? You see them dead? Like nothing?
Your mom said
See?
no candies. And,
Yeah, so I need to get a new one. But me not take off them because so much things are going already. But that is the tree, and I'm not doing anything. I wanted more of the poinsettia, like these, the exact ones. I see some more on Amazon, but I don't want to mix them. I want the same exact thing to continue making this trend
guys, bye, girls.
all the way down here. You get what I'm saying? I want it to like stop like maybe like right here. But it's okay. I'll get some other time. I'm not going to do anything else. So this is the tree right now. Okay? Alright. Yeah. I did not get to go outside and do the reindeer. It's still raining. We're not going to do that. So maybe tomorrow. I really wanted the extra reindeer, but that's not going to work. And I was looking on Amazon. Them expensive bad. Them expensive bad. We're not going to do that. We're not doing anything else. We're not nothing else. It's going to stay exactly how it is right now. Just what it is. So I'm going to put them pasta here. And I'm going to go downstairs when I'm done and go edit this so you guys can get it to watch tomorrow or Friday because I'm going back to work. I have doctor's appointments, as I said before, a gynecologist appointment tomorrow at 9. And the kids don't have an appointment at 12 o'clock, so I'm going to have to grab them early. Even though they have half-day school, I'm going to have to grab them earlier. So my appointment is 9:15, for them appointment is 12 o'clock. And tell me this, hold on, let me sit down and talk to you. I remember from last year, I feel like last year, or it could have been earlier this year, where I went down to Honda because of a recall that they had on my vehicle, right? Bro, waste time going down there and them claims they don't have the parts. Nobody no comment or anything. I had to reach out to them on Monday and say, hey, as a matter of fact, I reached out to them before and I left voicemail, nobody called me back. I reached out to them on Monday and I say, hey, my car is stalling and I'm driving like in the middle of the gas. Like you're press gas and like there's a stall, there's a hesitation, something is going on, right? And when you start it, sometimes it takes a while. Like it drive, but you can't feel a hesitation when you go press the gas, right? I'm gonna want no problem with me and my kids jump on the road. So, okay, they said they're gonna reach out back to me within 24 hours. Monday, Tuesday, to the Wednesday. Just now, I got a phone call.
I received a message saying that you're having some issues with recall. I'm just letting you know that we still do not have the parts available, and so we will give you a call once the parts are available.
What? No, ma'am. So I explained again why I need my parts right now if you're gonna have a recall. What the hell? So then she said, oh, if you're having that problem, then let's see. First, we're going to put me on a waiting list at first. So then I explained the problem to her again. She said,
maybe we can make that more priority. Let me speak to my manager for a bit.
She'll come back to me and let me know, say, she can't make an appointment, but the appointment that she's going to make is going to be like a diagnostic appointment that is going to cost me $160, right? And if after they do the diagnosis and it's related to the recall, then I don't have to pay it. But if it's not pertaining to the recall, I pay for the repair fee if I want them to fix it. If not, I pay for the diagnostic and I move on with the vehicle. I said, ma'am, please keep in mind that I've been having this issue for a while, right? I purchased the vehicle and I've been having a hesitation and everybody keep on saying nothing is wrong, I know it's getting worse. So I want to keep that in mind, put that in your notes when you're going to do the diagnostic, okay? As a matter of fact, what are the symptoms of the diagnostic? What are the symptoms of the recall? Because you're saying that only if it matches the symptoms of the recall. What is the symptoms of the recall? Oh, hesitation when driving, I say, I have that. Been have that. She said, okay, there's a code and and she'd look at it. More here. So them said, must come on a Monday at 8 o'clock. I said, I can't do that. I have my kids to drop to school. She said, I can't reach there at between 8 to 9:30. I said, I'm going to have access to you guys dropping me back home because I'm not going to have a vehicle to come home. They said, based on where I live, they should have a service. I said, please make sure, because the last time I came there, I was told that you guys had the service one I have is not working. So are you gonna have somebody? She said yes. Okay, she gonna put in the notes and We don't go down there On Monday, drop the kids and go straight down there. I'm gonna want you in the office there. Because Honda. Okay. Alright. My ranting is done. It's a Merry Christmas. We're gonna go back in the Christmas spirit. I'm gonna cook my people and putting them food. I make them get something to eat before them drop down. Okay? I'm gonna have nothing else for the Christmas related. Happy Vlogmas episode 2. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment under the comment section, and share. And I'll see you later. Bye.